You wanna be at the top? Inshallah. Are we the cream of the crop? Inshallah. You gotta rock till you drop. Inshallah. Cause believers never stop. Yeah. Mashallah. Come on.
3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Alright, sign up.
There are 3 parts.
Someone
Core values,
go sign up for a table. Go sign up
and
for
the
a table.
robotics.
It's the FLL Robotics competition. It's got 3 parts: core values, project, and robot game. We went back to the pitch area and now we're just preparing for the real robot game.
Technical interview.
What is this technical interview?
We're gonna ask why we chose this kind of design and stuff like that, and why we had this kind of attachment and this. This is our first line.
Who did your programming?
Well, we all took a part in every for the tree and the dog, Miriam and Yumna did it together. They programmed it together and they consulted each other and they made the program.
They helped us.
And then we came in put oh, what happens if we do this and that. So we came in and helped everyone.
So we all gave in suggestions, and for the ambulance mission, we realized it was too hard to return back into base because even though with the gyro sensor and everything it'd get properly there, we wouldn't know if it ended up like this or like this. So if we tried to get it back, it'd knock into that or something. So we decided let's do another mission that's there. So so we kind of split the tasks up, and we all agreed upon it, and finally released it.
We used the gyro sensor only because we needed it the most, and since the ambulance was moving the robot around because of the friction, we thought that the gyro sensor could bring it back to its right position. That's what it did with the ambulance.
And in the tree mission, it also, because when it hits the tree, it bounces back, and we don't know where the robot ends up, so we use the gyro sensor.
Okay, so explain to me how you program it and call it. How do you interact with the gyro sensor? How do you do that?
Well, with the gyro sensor, first you have to make it for my ambulance one, since the ambulance would move it in places that you couldn't even tell where it would end up back in the day, So what we did, we had like a loop, the if loop, you know that one. So it's like if it moves like to the right, then you go like over here, and then you make it turn to the left a little bit in the right position.
Okay, so it's helping you with the robotics here. How did you decide which missions you wanted to do?
Well, since we're like new beginners, we thought that let's do the easy ones, but.
And as we got more comfortable with programming and building stuff, we began to take points into account. Okay, how much is this? How much is that? Will we have enough time? And by the end, we picked the final missions that would get us the most points and could be done quickly. And several of the missions we had individual, we combined, and
yeah, we had combined the pet and the tree together, but that was kind of the robot was starting to climb the tree and everything.
It's a long story.
Would you like to demonstrate your favorite mission, or whatever mission you'd like to demonstrate to us?
Well, one of our missions that took the most time to make, and it was very stressful, but at the same time we helped and all worked together and finally got it to work and everything, and we each gave in suggestions. It was a very big combined mission.
Okay.
The ambulance mission.
Okay.
We took after getting the cat.
And the,
So can we get the things that we had right before we did that? It's our last mission.
You can set it up however you like.
Okay. So
we had.
in the
Let's
previous
say we
mission, we grabbed the cat and we also had a little problem once the robot was a bit bigger than we kind of strategically placed the gyro sensor at the top. And we faced the problem that it couldn't go underneath the line, the airplane line. And when the plane's launched, it's a bit lower. So it couldn't go through the line and it gets stuck. And when it's coming back, it just get all tangled and messy. So we decided to stick it on the side. So it's more convenient, it's smaller and more fixed. And also because sometimes it gets stuck in between these two when it was doing a mission.
How many times?
And we also the ambulance. First it takes it to the yellow zone, then it backs up and does the construction thing.
Okay.
And then after that it backs up again, turns and does the evacuation sign, then turns again and goes into the red zone with the generator, and with the red that's where it ends.
It has all of it has in it.
Yeah, so
As a person,
So
a
this is
water
your
bottle.
last mission.
yeah, it's our last mission.
So it wasn't working, it kept on missing the airplane with the hammer. It kept on going more. So I positioned it a little more on base. When it was there on base, I positioned it a little more, just a teeny bit more to the right, and then when it pivots, then it gets it. So.
Don't get nervous.
was the
So
worst
far.
one, and that's like third place.
I didn't know that Yumna was so smart and how she was like an expert at programming and like but yeah, it's like you figure out these things about everybody you just didn't know before, and when you know everybody's special interests and everything, you can say, okay, I think you are the best person at
For this.
for this, so you can do that.
Like Sakina designed the t-shirts and everybody's videos that we On Saturdays we would meet in the Nova Labs place and we would do programming and building the robot and stuff.
Oh yeah, on Sundays.
know. I am the dean you need. I am the dean you love. Please come back to me.